Well, again, that's exactly what we're talking about here. The FDA knew that the COVID injection was showing safety signals for mass death. And guys, I did not need a sophisticated mathematical model to look at Vaers where, since it started in 1990, on average, there's probably a couple hundred deaths associated with vaccines every year, anaphylactic shock, other things. All of a sudden in 2021, over 20,000 deaths reported on Vaers system. And you've got the people in charge of using Vaers as a safety surveillance system saying, well, we're just not seeing anything. I mean, we're almost up to 1.7 million total adverse events. And they also know that Vaers is such an imperfect system. One of the big problems is it grossly understates the number of serious adverse events. I mean, the CDC commissioned a Pilgrim study at Harvard that showed about 1% of adverse events are actually reported on the Vaers system. I mean, it's an unbelievable underreporting, and yet there were, instead of a couple hundred deaths, there's all of a sudden over 20,000 deaths on the Vaers system, and the people in charge of watching that and warning the American public are saying, nothing to see here, because you know why? They didn't want to create vaccine hesitancy. We've got the emails where that is the rationale they give. We don't want to create vaccine hesitancy.